I've always been interested in mass communication and propaganda studies, and since 9/11 I started to focus more on the representation of Muslims in the mainstream media, and the research came from that. I'm interested in researching media inequalities, namely how the mainstream media and social media represent marginalised groups. And a lot of my research is looking at the biases that are in the mainstream media. And then how that kind of rolls on to social media. But what my research has also found is that there's a lot of resistance and pushback against this. And one of the things we're developing here at JOMEC is a toolkit for local journalists so that they can report in more fairer ways on Muslim communities. And this is an impact project that has come straight out of the research. My last project looked at the representation of Muslims in British newspapers, but from the perspective of journalists themselves. So trying to get an insider perspective on what's going on and the reasons for the discriminatory negative coverage of Muslims, and also what can be done about it. And then my current research kind of expands on this. So it looks at how audiences or members of the public challenge the media and try to hold them to account for discriminatory coverage.